Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and this is the first food pantry haul for September. Let me show you what I got, and I'm going to show you what's going on with the restrictions on food because of certain things that are happening. All right, come on, let's take a look. As usual, we're going to start from the left, and we're going to go to the right. Now, check this out. We got some wonderful cabbages. A really big cabbage and a small one. I'll use this one for coleslaw, and this one, I don't know, I might make my sweet and sour cabbage soup, because I don't care what anybody says, September is the start of soup season. I love soup and sandwich. That is out. If I had a restaurant, that's what I would name it. Check this out. We've got some oranges, nice big ones. I might use these for juicing, yeah, or my ginger shots. That would be good. I got 4 nice onions. These are nice. Cooking and stuff like that. We have some wonderful penne pasta. I'm going to make my cold salads. Better yet, I'm going to use these in my soups. Oh, I got an idea. I'm going to show you. I got some, of course, wonderful mac and cheese. I can still use these pastas in soups. I make a cheeseburger soup. Did you all know that? Then we got some white rice. Ooh, we could make some cream of chicken and rice soup. Lemon rice with chicken. Oh, the Greek soup, love that. I can make that for you guys. Yeah. Then we've got some wonderful oatmeal for breakfast or for cookies. We've got some roasted almonds. These are great for a snack. You can make your own trail mix. You can put these in almond bars, all kind of things. Then we got some walnuts. Great for cookies, great for the Halloween time and the holidays. You can candy these. Yes, you can. We got some corn flakes. Now, did you guys know that you can use these to make cookies? They're not just for breakfast. You can also grind them up with spices, make them savory, and use them as a coating for chicken, frying chicken. And you can grind them up and make them into dough bait for fishing. Yes, you can. That's old school. That's back from the 70s. Yeah, well, we won't talk about that. All right. Over here, we got some peanut butter. Peanut butter and jelly. I am so crazy. But did you know that I make a peanut butter icing out of this? Peanut butter and honey. It is delicious to go on a cake. Then we've got some garbanzo beans. Love these on a salad or make them into hummus. Also got some refried beans for taco night. Or, I still haven't made my taco dip for you guys. I gotta make that. It's a bean dip. It's really good. Really, really good. Then I've got some spaghetti sauce, low sodium. You guys know I love that. Absolutely love it. Ooh, motorcycle. Then we got some diced tomatoes. Love these too. The possibilities for these are endless on pasta, in a salad, in a soup. Oh yeah. Then we got some mixed cut green beans. I love these. I make my soul food buffets with these, my beans and potatoes. Then we have some flavorless, unsweetened applesauce. No, it's good. All you do, add some honey to this, stevia or sugar or brown sugar. Did you know that you can make little pot apple pies with this, like little tarts, by mixing brown sugar and cinnamon with this and baking them? Oh, in the pastry. That is so good. That is so good. Then we got some cream style corn. Low sodium. That's a winner in my book. Oh, we got some more diced tomatoes. Good. I'm going to make a good soup with these. Oh, yeah. I'm going to save those for that. Then we got some cream of chicken soup, which is right on time for that lemon rice soup I want to make. We got some pink salmon. Oh, that's good. I have a ton of this now. Now I can do my soul food, my seafood buffet thing I want to do. Yep, seafood dinner. And we have some of this wonderful tuna. Now, you know what, guys? I'm trying it. I'm trying it. I'm going to soak this stuff in buttermilk like someone told me and see if that takes out the fishy taste. I'm going to try it. I'm going to let you know. Then we have this wonderful premium white chicken. That could go in our soup. This makes great chicken salad, but this would make a great lemon rice soup. Oh, with the chicken? Yes, absolutely. Then I have some chicken drumsticks. I got a whole bag of those. I'm thawing these out because I want to cook these today. Then I've got some bone-in chicken thighs. Frozen turkey. I love this stuff. I believe this is a pound in here. Yep. 85% lean, 15% fat. You have to have some fat in your meat to cook it, make it taste right, so it won't be tough. We got 2 of those. And last but not least, we got a wonderful cheese Danish. Jay is going to love this. Oh, man, he's going to go through this like 40 going north. Also, we're going to be doing a little bit of a product review later today on this wonderful little thing they gave me from Amaze Chef. It's your own personal blender and mixer you can take on the go with you. And guess what, y'all? You can charge it in the car. I love it. No batteries required. You can charge it anywhere. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. Wonderful blessings. Oh, yes. Now, we didn't get any eggs this time from the food pantry because apparently there's some flu or illness going around that the chickens are catching. I'd have to look that up. I don't know exactly what it is, but they mentioned it. And we didn't get a lot of frozen chicken either. Like usually get a whole chicken or something, but we did get the legs, which is really a blessing, a blessing. So watch out for those egg prices. They're going to skyrocket again, nieces and nephews. But if you need help getting food, please do not hesitate to contact me or go to your local food pantry. I'm here for you. I love you guys. And thank you so much for those wonderful compliments, Jay. Really appreciate it. He's getting so much better at doing it. And he's going to start a channel soon. So I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. I also want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. And we can go on and do some recipes and just chit and chat if you want. Hey, Joe, I'm going to send you pictures from my garden. Yes, I am. Guys, check out Joe's channel. I'll put a link down below. He has some insightful things he talks about and wonderful things. We just want to sit back, chill, relax, and listen to Joe talk to you. All right. I love you guys out there, all my nieces and nephews. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Oh, Chris, what you got?